Tesla fam, let's get straight to it. Today I'm going to show you how to enable child lock in your Tesla to keep your little ones safe and secure, guys. So first things first, guys, you want to access the controls. Start by tapping on the controls icon on your touchscreen. This will bring up the main settings menu. Then what you want to do, guys, is click on locks and then child lock. Okay, you need to navigate to the child lock settings from the control menu. Just go to safety and security. Okay, then click on locks and then click on child lock. Okay, you want to enable the child lock. Just simply toggle the child lock to switch to the switch on position. You will see a confirmation that it has been activated. Then you can test the locks. Just ensure that it's working. Okay, try opening the rear doors from the inside. They should remain locked, providing added safety for your passengers. And that's it. So go ahead, hit that link in the description to upgrade your ride even further.